Hello everybody, I'm here today to show you some box frames because you can make a really great personal gift if you've got these box frames. They're really cheap to buy in IKEA. I can't remember how much these were, but they are not expensive. They are probably under £5, and what a great way to use up your supplies. All of those supplies that we have in our craft rooms, and this is just a fantastic way to use it up. So here is one that I made. I'm going to have a lot of glare, so I do apologise. It's a horrible dull day today. But this is a little one. It has scrapbooking paper and some decoupage and a little bit of glitter card there. And I've put little feathers along the bottom. So you could actually use some of your card making materials to make something like this. So that's really quick. That's a great one for a wee girl. And this next one, I'll show you this last because that's the best. This one I've possibly shown you before when I was going over videos after my 50th birthday, but this was originally a card that someone had made for my birthday. It was actually my boss at work, and it was a cross-stitch card, and I wanted to put it into a frame and keep it. So what I did was I decoupaged a napkin round about the edge, but then it was too bright, so I painted over it with, sponged over it with Peril paint, added like vintage napkin and made this little butterfly embellishment, and added some little crystals and some little flowers to the bottom, and that hangs in my craft room. This one here I've been working on for 3 weeks. It should only take you a couple of hours to make a box frame, but of course when you are looking for your mojo, it's quite hard when your mojo has gone. So I had an idea of what to make. I knew what paper I was using. I had picked out these little pegs, but actually pulling it all together was quite tricky. So last night I'd had a couple of glasses of Prosecco, Saturday night as you do, and I came upstairs and thought, let's have another bash at this. So I did pull it all together last night and then added some final touches to it this morning. So I added the little love heart down here and I sorted the love hearts up the top. So what I did here was I painted the insert. Oh, sorry, I've got glare everywhere. I painted this and I mixed two colours together to get it to match the colour in the image. And this was a paper collection that I bought from America through the supermarket USA. And it's lovely kind of retro 50s style paper. And what I did was I picked up these pegs and I thought they would match, so I thought, right, I'll put them along there. I wanted to thread some twine, but it just didn't look right. It looked untidy. So what I did was I cut out some love hearts out of the paper and backed it onto card, and I made a lovely little love heart frame here, and I actually did the gold effect round the edge using a gold Sharpie, and I put a little picture of my granddaughter looking as cute as a button. She is gorgeous. And what I've done in the bottom is I've put a mixture of blue and pink flowers and some vintage gold coloured beads, and it says classy and fabulous, and it's layered onto multiple layers of card. So that is really should be very quick for you to put together if you're looking for that idea. An idea for a box frame, I mean. But don't be afraid to go over and use the frame as well, not just the bit in the centre. I thought this was a lovely touch, putting this over the edge, and I've popped it up onto some Stampin' Up! Dimensionals to lift it off the page. So that is looking good. I am really pleased with that, and I'm going to give it to my son's girlfriend for part of her Christmas because she absolutely loves that kind of style. So that's all for now. It is Christmas Eve's Eve. It is the 23rd of December and we've been busy cleaning up the house today, and it's almost dinner time, so I'm going to say cheerio for now, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.